Hard plastics can be tricky to bond, but the right glue makes all the difference for a strong, lasting hold. Whether you're fixing a broken item or working on a DIY project, choosing the best adhesive is key. In this video, we'll review the 5 best glues for hard plastic, highlighting their strength, drying time, and ease of use. Check the links in the description for more info and updated pricing. Let's get started! At number 5, we have the Gorilla Super Glue. Gorilla Super Glue is a versatile adhesive ideal for a wide range of projects and repairs. It bonds effectively to many materials such as glass, plastic, wood, metal, ceramic, rubber, leather, and paper. This makes it perfect for fixing hard plastic items quickly and reliably. The glue's formula delivers excellent impact resistance and strength, creating a durable Gorilla Tough seal. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, Gorilla Super Glue ensures your repairs stay strong and long-lasting. Its clear gel formula dries quickly and leaves a crystal-clear, discreet finish that won't distract from your project. The gel form also allows precise application, especially on vertical or hard-to-reach surfaces, making it great for detailed repairs on hard plastics. Plus, the anti-clog cap prevents the glue from drying out, keeping it fresh after each use. It sets fast in 10 to 45 seconds with no clamping needed, helping you complete your projects efficiently. At number 4, we have the Starbond Thin Super Glue. Starbond Thin Super Glue is a premium cyanoacrylate adhesive trusted since 1988 for its industrial-grade quality and longer shelf life. Produced in small batches, this glue ensures freshness and reliable performance for a variety of projects, especially for hard plastics and detailed hobby work. This glue is engineered for ultra-fast drying and exceptional strength, setting in just 2 to 3 seconds. Its thin liquid formula easily wicks into tight joints and stabilizes microfractures, making it ideal for bonding hard plastics, 3D printed materials like PLA, ABS, and PETG, and other challenging surfaces. Starbond includes extra applicator nozzles, a pin cap for clog prevention, and 8 precision microtips to reach small or hard-to-access areas without mess. A helpful user guide and QR code linked to video tutorials support success for both professionals and hobbyists. Compatible with materials such as wood, metal, ceramic, glass, and more, Starbond Thin Super Glue offers fast, strong, and durable bonds for all your adhesive needs. At number 3, we have the JB Weld Plastic Bonder Body Panel Adhesive. JB Weld Plastic Bonder is a quick-set, 2-part urethane adhesive designed to deliver strong, lasting repairs on hard plastics and other tough materials. It works effectively on thermoset plastics, carbon fiber composites, thermoplastics, coated metals, concrete, and more, making it a versatile choice for many projects. With over 40 years of trusted performance, JB Weld has earned a loyal following for providing some of the strongest bonds available. This plastic bonder continues that tradition, offering durability and reliability for both professionals and DIYers alike. The adhesive has a simple 1-to-1 mixing ratio, sets in just 15 minutes, and can be sanded after 30 minutes. It boasts a tensile strength of 3,770 pounds per square inch, curing to a hard, permanent bond that withstands heavy use and stress. Perfect for indoor and outdoor repairs, JB Weld Plastic Bonder also serves as a gap filler and dries to a black finish, ensuring dependable results on plastic, composite, PVC, and more. At number 2, we have the BondXtra Thick CA Glue. BondXtra Thick CA Glue offers perfect adhesion with fast-setting cyanoacrylate that bonds a wide range of materials including most plastics, wood, ceramics, metal, rubber, and leather. Its exceptional bond strength delivers a powerful instant grab, making it ideal for hard plastic repairs and other common surfaces. Designed for professional and industrial use, BondXtra meets high standards for durability once cured. It is perfect for woodworking, DIY projects, hardware fixes, cabinetry, electrical, plumbing, and more. It's also popular for household tasks, crafts, and hobbies. This kit includes 4 4-ounce glue bottles, 6 Yorker spouts for easy refilling, 4 empty bottles, 50 microtips for precise application, and clog-free stoppers to prevent interruptions. The microtips help reach tight or hard-to-access areas, ensuring efficient use of glue without waste. At number 1, we have the WoldoClean Super Glue. WoldoClean Super Glue is an extremely strong, quick-drying adhesive designed specifically for plastic and synthetic materials. Its liquid formula bonds heavy-duty plastic items instantly, offering a reliable solution for both indoor and outdoor repairs. This super glue cures within seconds and is waterproof, heat-resistant, and weatherproof, making it perfect for a variety of applications like repairing fences, toys, models, acrylic pieces, and even car parts. It's also dishwasher safe, providing long-lasting durability under tough conditions. WoldoClean's high-performance cyanoacrylate glue sticks plastic to other surfaces including wood, metal, ceramic, concrete, glass, and porcelain. This versatility makes it ideal for diverse household, hobby, and industrial projects. Featuring an anti-clog cap and a precise nozzle, this glue prevents tube blockages and allows for accurate application. It dries clear without leaving any stains, keeping your repairs clean and professional looking every time. Thanks for tuning in. If this helped you find the right glue for your project, don't forget to like and subscribe. You'll find all product links with current prices in the description below. Choosing the right adhesive makes all the difference, so make it count. Good luck with your repairs, and we'll see you in the next video.